that time I thought this is him to help me.
I was
Thanks to
so
you.
happy when I saw the salary number you got. You really
I
deserve
was
that.
I'm so happy too. I never
Yeah.
imagined that.
Stella, great to see
Hi.
you again. Thank you for being in one of these videos.
Nice to see you.
It is great to see you smiling and happy because in our very first call, that was not the situation you were in. So,
hmm
can you tell people what first motivated you to reach out to me and then eventually join the Career Accelerator?
Yes, I was a former startup CEO after I decided to find a job, but it was quite tough because the economic situation is not nice. And
Hmm.
actually, I'm quite a age, so you know the Korean culture, they don't like to hire the people who is kind of
Yeah,
old. So I'm
I
quite
know.
a
I get it. Yeah.
struggling to find a job. So this time I had an idea to find a global job that's global job because there's not less age discrimination I heard. So, but
Mm.
it was also struggling and challenging to me because I have to write a perfect resume to how to sell myself to the hiring manager as a perfect match for the job.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
also I have a goal to do the work to work in a global market.
Mhm.
So that's why I found you on the LinkedIn, and I watched your websites and watched your old stories, and I that time I thought this is him to help me, so that I reached you, and you're gladly respond me to help me.
Absolutely. Yeah. I still remember, Stella. We had connected, we exchanged a few messages.
Right.
You
Mhm.
seemed really, really nice. And I saw the open to work banner and I thought, I hope she reaches out in the future because I really want to help her.
Mhm.
And you did. And now,
Yeah.
thankfully, things have changed quite a lot. So, what was your experience like working
Mhm.
with me? And then, how did our program improve your job search?
I never thought about the how to use the LinkedIn profile, but
Mm-hmm.
thanks to you, I started the LinkedIn, and I write the great LinkedIn profile with you. And you were so, how can I say that? I don't know how to say it in English, but every single part you wrote very proper expressions and very attractive words to show me to the other people on the LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
and I followed very diligently to the strategy how to use LinkedIn, and got a quite I quite succeed to connect connect to many people in a short time. After that, he wrote you helped me you helped me to write down an English resume to apply the global company that I found on the LinkedIn. It worked actually. It's
Yeah.
few global
Yeah.
company worked too, and Korean company also worked. So, see, you were I told you were quite genius to make the resume perfect, and also it worked in Korean too. So
Mm-hmm.
I was so happy that finally, and fortunately, I got a job in very famous Korean company here and got a great sell and offered a great salary.
I was
Thanks to you.
so happy when I saw the salary number you got. You really
I
deserve
was
that.
I'm so happy too. I never
Yeah.
imagined that.
That could change your whole lifestyle now. Like in
um,
terms of your standard of living, how much you travel, the things
hmm.
you buy at the grocery store, it's gonna change your life having that much more money. That's awesome.
Thanks to the high salary, I find a very nice house here in Seoul.
Love that. That's awesome. Congratulations.
So it was great that not only helping for writing resume, you also kind of organized, also made us also set the strategy. Taught me the strategy to negotiate the salaries and what is the
Mhm.
proper salary and how to. Oh, I remember that I was struggling how to answer the question on the final interview that you gave me the great answer. Then I passed the final interview. It's great. It was quite great. I never imagined this result, this success.
I'm really glad we made it happen. Yeah. I remember that first call we had. You really seemed discouraged
Right.
because at that time sounds like you've been applying a lot, and
Mm,
sometimes just a lot of small changes, improvements to the LinkedIn, the resume, the networking, it can create a huge difference in outcome. And
mm.
I'm really, really glad that happened to you because I think you are an awesome business development manager. I think you have a great business mind, and I think this company is very lucky to have someone like you.
Oh yes, I think so too.
Good. You should feel that way. Yeah. You should feel confident. You really deserve this new job. So, yeah, you think this program worth it to
Oh
Koreans hoping to develop their careers?
yes, if you're looking for a global company, it's definitely yes. And like my case, if you want to find a very advanced and popular and very young Korean company, it works too. And all English interview is it definitely right. And also the Korean interview, you find an answer how to set the strategy to negotiate the offer. It works too. So you're only focused on the global company or the people who want to get a job in a global company, especially in the English company, the company who's speaking in English. But your strategy works in a Korean company too, and the Korean company too. So I definitely recommend this program to other job seekers.
Awesome. Love hearing that, Stella. And yeah, and I can't wait to see what happens with you
Oh yes, I'll
starting
update.
next month with your new
Mm,
role.
and thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for doing this video. I appreciate you sharing your story.